Wanna know how to fix PUBG Mobile not opening? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. There could be several reasons for your PUBG Mobile not opening. First up could be your device and its Wi-Fi itself. So make sure to reconnect your Wi-Fi or change your data connection type. If not, simply restart or reboot your device as well. And if it still doesn't work, just simply search for your PUBG Mobile icon, hold for it, and then head towards its app settings. Just simply head under clear data on the bottom right here. Now once I've done that, just simply select clear cache, and once I've selected clear cache, simply select OK once again, and that's it. After that is done, your any faulty cache or any faulty data should be erased, and your temporary files also should be gone, and then your PUBG Mobile should open. And if it still doesn't open, make sure you also have updates set in. So for that, go to Play Store and search up PUBG Mobile and check for its update. So that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.